We cut the tent with a knife because the customer didn't know how to repair it. Our tents are made with waterproof fabric. As you can see, water cannot penetrate through it. If the tent leaks, it means there is a hole. Each tent comes with 9 patch pieces and a bottle of glue, which are used for repairing the tent in case of damage. When the tent gets damaged, you can use the following methods for repair. 1. If the tent gets punctured by a sharp object resulting in a small hole, you can apply glue to the hole to seal it. After applying the glue, let the tent sit for 2 hours until the glue dries, and then the tent can be used normally. 2. If the tent gets cut open with a large gash by a sharp object, you can use the patch pieces to stick over the hole. Additionally, you can apply glue on the other side of the hole to reinforce the repair effect. Now that you've learned how to repair the tent, isn't it simple? If you have any feedback, you can leave a comment below the video or send us a private message on other social media platforms. Your feedback is important to us, so feel free to reach out with any questions.